I'm going to show you the exact price action strategy that has made me over $3 million in the past 9 years as a day trader. I'm also going to be showing you a real live trade, making over $1,000 using this strategy, not paper trading money, real verified profits with live login proof. Look, I've gone from literally being bankrupt at 20 years old with $40,000 in debt to making multiple six-figure months as a day trader. The strategy that I'm about to show you is what I look for every single day in the market. It's the high probability setup that consistently puts money in my account, and today I'm breaking down every single detail of it for you. If you're tired of inconsistent results, tired of chasing trades and guessing directions, and if you're tired of getting stopped out, this is the video that's going to change your trading forever. Now, before I dive into the charts, let me break down the 5 key components that make the setup work so consistently. Number 1, we need to identify price action, the language of the market, not indicators, not some secret algorithm, but pure price action trading. Number 2, we need volume confirmation. Volume doesn't lie. It tells us when big money is stepping in, when buyers are aggressive, when sellers are aggressive, and which way price is about to head. Number 3, we need to wait for our levels to hit and for our setups to come. Patience is absolutely critical here. It ties into one of my favorite phrases that I say every single day: discipline over dopamine. Number 4, we need proper risk management with defined entries, stops, and targets. As a consistently profitable trader, we don't care how much we're gonna make. The first thing that we need to look for in every single setup is what is our risk? What is our potential, our multiple? Because without defining your risk and without protecting the downside, the upside will never come. And if the upside does come, it won't stay. And number 5, we need discipline to execute the plan every single time. Now let's head to the charts and I'll show you exactly what this looks like in real time with trades that I took.
I'm gonna try a piece of the longs with you at 398, Greg. Try a piece of the longs, everybody. A small piece, just a small piece. Gonna add one more at 90 and then hard stops below 77. I haven't gotten the second add yet. Let's see. Still got one NQ. Do I add the second one? If we pop above 90, I will. Stopping at 76. All right, added the second. Just 2 cons. We'll stop at 76. Worth the risk here. Worth the risk for me. Only about 15 points worth of risk. Stop at 76. The only other bounce spot I have is at 330. But the trend has been up today, so it's worth trying out in the pullback. Had the wick up, define the risk. If I lose, I will be down 500 or something, 600 bucks. Shooting to make over 1,000 on this. Move back up to 420 or so. It's not looking great, but it's worth the risk for me. If we close this 5 minute below 400, that's not as ideal, but pullback was worth a try for me with stops below 76. So the risk is very minimal. Struggling with this 400 area. Let's see if we can move above it. I want to see this 20 area to trim. We're up from the lower entry 10 points, 12 points, but I need to see higher to trim to make the risk reward worth it. We're sitting below 1-1 right now. The risk is defined. I just would like to see more out of the move. There we go. 410 there. 408. We're up about 20 points, guys, give or take, if you got the lower entry. So far, so good. 22 points from lower entry. I'm going to take one off just to be safe up here. Took one off. I'm going to hold the rest, hopefully till 440 now. I'd like to see more out of it, but I did take one off to be safe. I'd like to see us keep moving higher, but again, from the lower entry, 20 points from the lower entry. Let's see if we can keep moving on up. I'm going to keep my stops now just probably around 388 or so. I'll let you guys know when I stop, but I'm still in holding. How about that, TikTok? Again, make sure you guys have trimmed. Team Bull, make sure you guys have trimmed. Make sure you guys have trimmed. There's one winner, guaranteed winner now. 20 plus points from the lower entry. I'd like to see us keep moving on up. Make sure you guys have trimmed. 20 plus point trim. Let's see 420 now. Nice job, Greg. Nice job, Team Bull. There's that 420. Nice job on your entry too, Grizzly. Great job, everybody. Let's keep it moving on up. Call with Putin has begun. Oh, well, then hard stops definitely got to be in. Stops at break even too. Got a hard stop in, and I'm going to really ride. I'm going to try to really let this ride the rest of the day. If we can keep moving on up, if this was the higher low, I'll hold my runner for as long as it will go, or trail my stop up at least. And we're up 30 points from that lower entry. Who was saying on TikTok we don't make money? Again, that's 30 points from our lower entry, guys. Make sure you guys have trimmed. So we're gonna trail our stops up, move our next take profits higher. Trail the profit. Yep. Who was saying we don't make money? We do every day in real time. There we go. Yep, still moving. I'm gonna trail my stops up to just below 400 too. Yep, I just trailed my stop up, my hard stop up. Trailing my stop up to 400 now, guys. I just moved it up a few points. I'm still riding this up, guys. Yep, I'm gonna trail my stop up too. Again, for the recording for YouTube, I'm up over 1,000. I could have taken profit at 1,000, but I want this to go further because I'm trailing this with real money. So even if it stops me out, it's still a dub. I still could have made over 1,000 of real money. I'd like to see this go to high a day because I have a great entry. I got one mini running. Why would I stop it early when I don't have to, you know? So I trailed my stop up. My hard stop is trailed in, letting it ride. It just stopped me. All right, guys, my trailing stop got filled on that trade. We could still keep going up, but I was trailing my stop up. I wanted to see us keep on moving. You can keep your stops at break even if you'd like. We could hit high of day, but again, my trailing stop got hit. Beautiful job, Team Bull. Beautiful, beautiful trade.
So how do you find this setup every day? It starts with proper preparation. I'm up every morning at 5:30 a.m., checking my levels, preparing my watch list, and getting mentally ready for the trading morning. I'm looking at SPY, QQQ, and NQ and ES for futures, and a few stocks I like, such as Tesla. I don't need to watch 50 different tickers. I just need to master a few. One critical thing that I learned after years of trading is that simplicity beats complexity every time. I don't use 20 indicators. I focus on price action and volume. That's it. When I first started, I was chasing every strategy, buying every course, jumping from one system to another. But once I simplified and focused on mastering this one setup, that's when my trading really transformed. Remember, this setup works on any time frame. You can use it on the 5-minute chart for day trading, the hourly chart for swing trading, or even the daily for position trading. The principles remain the same. If you can read price action, it doesn't matter if the market goes up, down, or sideways, you're gonna be positioned to make money in the long term. Now let me share the biggest mistakes I see traders make with this strategy. Number one, not being patient. You have to wait for your levels. Do not chase. Number two, sizing too big. You have to earn your size. And when your position size is too large, you can't think clearly and you'll exit too early or too late. Sizing up without properly earning it almost always results in losses. Now, number three, not having a clearly defined plan before entering. Know your entry, stop, and target before you hit the buy button. This is a non-negotiable. Number four, not respecting the market context. This strategy works best when aligned with the overall trend. And number five, getting emotional after a loss or a win. Remember, it's part of the game. The best loser wins in trading. I made all of these mistakes when I started. I went from 5,000 to 7,000, back to 5,000, up to 8,000, back to 6,000. It was a constant cycle until I fixed these problems and developed the discipline to execute properly. Let me show you what's possible when you master this strategy. This year alone, I'm up over $100,000. Last year, I made over $300,000. And in total, I've made over $3 million in the past 9 years day trading with proof. Now, I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you this because I want you to understand what's possible. I dropped out of high school. I filed for bankruptcy at 20. I came from nothing. I didn't have financial education. I wasn't financially literate. I was raised by a single mom with no money and no connections. If I can do this, so can you. But it took me years of grinding, years of failure, years of focus to get here. It was not overnight success. It was consistent discipline applied day after day, month after month, failure after failure. Now, I want you to go to your charts right now and start looking for this pattern. Look at historical data. Find these setups. See how they played out. This is how you build confidence in your strategy, rep after rep, with more and more screen time. I provide free education every single day on this channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment what you want to learn next. But if you're serious about accelerating your trading journey, if you're tired of making the same mistakes over and over, if you want to cut your learning curve from years to months, then I want to invite you to my Team Bull Mentorship program. Inside Team Bull, you'll get access to me and my team every single day. You'll see me trade live in real time, call out setups in real time, and break down exactly what I'm seeing in real time in the market. I've helped thousands of traders transform their results, and I can help you too. The link is in the description below. Spaces are limited because I want to maintain the quality of my community and ensure that everyone gets the attention they deserve and that they need. Remember, pray, grind, focus, repeat. That's how you build discipline to succeed in this market, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.